If you're looking to simplify your gardening, electric tillers are a great option. They offer a cleaner, quieter, and low-maintenance alternative to gas-powered models, making them ideal for most gardens. Whether you're dealing with a small flower, bed, or a larger vegetable garden, there's a tiller that can meet your needs. In this video, we've picked 5 of the best electric tillers, each suited for different garden sizes and tasks. We'll help you choose the one that fits your space and gardening style, so you can get the job done with ease. Let's dive in. At number 5, we have the It Toolmax 20V Cordless Tiller Cultivator, which is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a simple, hassle-free tiller that's easy to use for light gardening tasks. If you're maintaining a small garden, flower beds, or a few raised garden beds, this is a solid option. Its cordless design means you won't have to worry about tangled cords or refueling. The 20V battery offers good power for smaller jobs, like weeding, mixing compost, or turning over the soil before planting. The adjustable handle makes it comfortable for different heights, so you won't have to bend too much. And its lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store. It's best for people who want a basic yet efficient tool without the need for a lot of maintenance. This tiller is the go-to for those who are looking for convenience and a cleaner alternative to gas-powered models. At number 4, the Vivore 10 amp. Electric tiller offers more power and versatility for gardeners with medium-sized spaces. If your garden is a bit bigger or the soil is tougher, this model is a great choice. The 10 amp motor and 14-inch tilling width let you cover more ground in less time, making it perfect for larger vegetable patches, flower beds, or lawns that need some serious soil loosening. With the cross-structure steel tines, it handles both soft and compacted soil easily, ensuring effective cultivation. If you're working in a space that requires deeper soil aeration or prepping land for planting, this tiller is reliable and strong. The 16-pound weight strikes a nice balance between stability and ease of handling, while the foldable handle adds extra convenience for storage. This is the ideal tool for those who want something powerful, but not too heavy, that can handle regular gardening tasks without overwhelming them. At number 3, we have the Black Pideka 20V Max Tiller, LGC 120, which is perfect for small to medium-sized gardens. If you have a manageable garden and want something that's lightweight and easy to store, this tiller is a great pick. Powered by a 20V lithium-ion battery, you get the convenience of cordless operation with enough power to tackle tasks like loosening soil, removing weeds, and preparing your garden for planting. It's compact and very user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for beginners or those who don't want to deal with the upkeep of a gas-powered tiller. The dual tines prevent weeds from tangling, saving you time. It's an efficient tool for anyone who wants to maintain a small garden or flower beds, especially if you don't want to spend a lot of time on setup or maintenance. If you're looking for something simple, reliable, and effective for basic tilling tasks, this model fits the bill. At number 2, the Earthwise TC7001 11-inch 8.5 amp corded electric tiller is a great option if you need something with a bit more power but still want the convenience of an electric model. If you have a medium-sized garden or need to do some regular soil prep, this tiller can handle it with ease. The 8.5 amp motor provides enough power for smaller to mid-sized spaces, making it perfect for breaking up soil, mixing in compost, and preparing garden beds for planting. The 11-inch tilling width and 8-inch depth mean you can get deeper into the soil without having to strain, and the ergonomic handle ensures you're comfortable while working. This tiller is lightweight enough to be maneuverable, yet powerful enough to handle tasks that require more than just surface-level tilling. If you need a corded option that delivers reliable results without the maintenance hassle of a gas-powered machine, this is a solid choice. It's great for eco-conscious gardeners who prefer electric tools over gas-powered ones. At number 1, the Engine Dot Electric Garden Tiller is a true powerhouse for those with larger gardens or tougher soil conditions. If you're looking for a tiller that can handle extensive garden work, this is the model to consider. With a 13.5 amp motor and a tilling width that can be adjusted from 12 to 18 inches, it's designed for heavy-duty gardening tasks like breaking up compacted soil, digging in hard-to-reach areas, or preparing large spaces for planting. The 6 durable all-metal tines are built to last, offering a strong performance across various soil types. It's perfect for vegetable gardens, flower beds, or anyone who needs to cover a lot of ground efficiently. The adjustable tilling depth allows you to customize your work depending on your specific needs. Whether you're dealing with soil that's tough to break up or just need a powerful tool for larger areas, this tiller gets the job done. Plus, the folding design makes it easy to store away when not in use, and the dual safety switches add an extra layer of security. For anyone who's serious about their gardening, this tiller offers the power and flexibility you need to tackle bigger projects. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect electric tiller for your garden. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, the right tool can make a huge difference in how easily you manage your space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video!